Hello folks, yeah, blimey, start good, but I sound like the place is collapsing around me, just a screwdriver being errant. Hope you're all well. Yeah, it looks like I've been flashing the cash, doesn't it? No, it's just pre-orders coming in. Let's say, there's a few that aren't coming when I expected now, as well, so, you know, it shouldn't be too bad. I'm expecting the buildings next, so we actually get to work back on the layout again, putting another building on, which will actually change the appearance quite a lot, I think. Right, so what have we got? Oh, right, I didn't realise that came in there. Didn't realise that came in one of those. But hey, now I do. So, we have got some Engage cranes, as the layout is called Path of the Crane. These are by Kato. They look potentially 3D printed them. They are very, very pretty. Doesn't matter if they are or not, I don't mind 3D printing. Lovely photo on the back of the box. But as the layout says, the layout's called Path of the Crane. Thought I better have some of those when I find out about them. And yes, there's another train. So carefully again take it out of the. If I start yawning, I do apologise. So I've been given some new medication, and it makes me yawn like a snake trying to unhinge its jaw. So I do apologise, and I'll probably try and cut it out if it happens too greatly, but it has just totally wiped me. So yeah, that's just one dose. Can't wait till the next one kicks in. Dear. But anyway, so we have the Kato 10-2145. This is the 683-6000 series Maharoba. This is a new service that's launched in Japan. There's two of these, this one and another one in a different colour scheme. They are refurbished 683 series trains, and you'll see in a minute why I expected it to come in the other box, but hey, there we are. Quite a different paint scheme. Right, so without much more delay, I'm going to get this onto the track and you can have a proper look at it. Okay. So trying to keep things as steady as possible for you. Here is the Maharoba. It's like quite a paint scheme, this gold. See the tail lights there as well. So the other unit is black where the red is and silver where the gold is. I'm hoping they're going to do that one as well, because this would be nice to have the pair running together. And talking of running, let's see how it runs. So, forwards. Excuse flight sim starting up in the background. And reverse. I'll speed it up here to running in speed. Yeah, as always for the Kato, lovely and smooth. So I'll leave that running in now in both directions, then once it's all run in, we'll get the running shots of the two trains both running together. to you shortly. So, all it leaves me to say is thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed looking at this as much as I have. Yeah, I like it. I look forward to hopefully them bringing out the darker livery as well, the silver and black one. So, arigato gozaimasu, and sayonara. Take care, all.